Hi everybody, it's Misty with Mother of Truth Budgets. Sorry it's been so long getting back on schedule. Puppies totally threw a wrench in my life, my time, my schedule, all of that. Today we have cash stuffing and then sinking funds. And if you hear the sound of a cat in the background, that is Leroy Death Row Gibbs, who's only 8 years old but acts like he's 100. Talking about you. Anyway, so let's get started. Let's see what we have. First I have 4 H bucks I've been saving, so we can color. I hardly ever get them, so I save them all up at once so we can do that together real quick. I'm not going to probably find the right marker. What is that? What is that? Yuck. Let's see. I'll just work with this. So I hope everybody's doing well. I feel like it's been forever since we talked or hung out. That's not the right marker. We got 4 H's. And I've changed my sinking funds around a little bit. This was originally supposed to go to Etsy, 1, 2, 3, Etsy. But I'm like, I think I should put this as something different because it's going to take forever to get, which is fine, totally fine. So, I got our little, the new camera and trying to get this set up. Of course, fighting with my envelope. Really? Oh my goodness. Struggle bus. Okay, so I'll put that back in its binder in a minute. Let's see. Put you back in and put that in. Okay, so let's count them out. So this is, I know I'm way behind, but this is from, we'll get 2 paychecks for September. This is from our first paycheck. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. 185 is what we're going to stuff today. This is our, so Gardner House, I have a little cheat sheet over here for myself, is going to get 50. I'm going to do that because I usually break them up because they don't never come at the same time. Is that right? 20, 40, 45, 50. And I need to make it easy in case my hubby has to pay people when I'm not here. Let's see, spending gets 25. Entertainment gets 25. Yeah, this is not very exciting, but starting over again, yeah, it is what it is. Gifts, 10. Clothing, 25. Miscellaneous, it's 25. With school starting back up, I feel like there's a good chance my miscellaneous is going to go fast. Just things I forgot since we haven't had school in forever. Vacation or travel is getting our last 25. now we're going to go to our sinking funds, and, well, I guess I should put them on, that might help. So I just started doing sinking funds really, this is the end of the month. So it took me a while to figure out how to do it best for me, so it's kind of crazy. I have a spreadsheet which I keep track of what all is in savings, and I really wanted to start like a 100 envelope challenge. I was just worried about having money hanging around in my house, so I'm going to, all of the challenges, or all of my sinking funds, I'm just going to keep it, move it from checking into the savings, so that I can keep it separate, spend it on what it's for, put it in the accounts that it's for, whatever. And that's what I use the spreadsheet for. So I didn't figure anybody wanted to see all that, so I went through and I made that organized, did my sinking funds tracker. I figured out that just the little slip alone, the register, was not enough. It didn't give me all the happy feelings that actually seeing progress with something colored or something I can mark off does. So I had to make my own. So let's see. Oh, this is not the right binder. Oh, wait. This is the right binder. My good old faithful. Alright. So I have, like, this is probably not the way most people do it, and I'm okay with that. Gotta be me. So for car maintenance, we put into a savings 25. So we'll color in one car. Oh wow, I picked the right one. And I forgot to color this in when I started. So currently in car maintenance, we have a $2,000 goal, and we have, well, I guess I can take it out there so you can see. I'm struggling with my envelopes again. 175, and I just put that in there today. And I thought if I took this to the back, I could just flip it over and see, but this makes me feel better. I don't know why. I'm just me, I'm sure. This envelope, I don't have label on the outside yet. It's for window tint and auto start on the little car. This is a much smaller goal that we're trying to get, so I figured this wouldn't be in here very long, but this will probably drive me nuts, and I probably will try to do a label for it. So each little window shield is $25. And we put in $25. And I know it drives people crazy seeing me color, so hopefully this is a lot less offensive. Nothing for our tax pro yet. We will start saving for that. The fence goal, you might remember from our 7 days of challenges, savings challenges, that the fence got a big chunk of what our savings went to. So before today we had $1,468, and we added $25 to it. So each little picket in the fence is worth $25. Oh wait, yeah, because the whole thing, the whole pack is worth $125. The truck. So this is a truck that wasn't my dad's. We've been working hard to get restored. It's still going to take a bunch of years, but at least we're working for it, and I love seeing the little bits. It's going to take 3 of these sheets to get the amount we need, but I still see progress, and that makes me happy. Oh, so we added, oh, this one was, hold on, I gotta pull this out. So we added 100, and we already had 2,100 in there. When I get to 2,500, I go and make a payment to the restoration shop. So I ended up changing out one of my sinking funds. So it was, I can't think, I'm sorry, for the phone fund, because I couldn't pay off my phones or else my monthly bill gets a lot higher, which I'm still grouchy about that. But anyway, so I switched that. There was only $329 in it only. Actually, that was a lot. And I put it into the truck because we're working hard to try and keep money going into that. So then that evened out, or ended up $2,529. So I will go make a payment this week to this. I'll take that money out and get a cashier's check for that. So we are at, let's see, 22, 24. We're just gonna color into 25. And I'm okay if I think from now on we'll probably be just doing even amounts, or ones that are easy to keep track of in here. So that one was the only kind of weird one. Flooring, this one, you guys, flooring, we've gotten 3 estimates now, and they're all about the same. Mind you, we purchased the flooring ourselves and have had it in the garage since it went on sale back in June, I think. It's going to take me forever to save up this kind of money to put it in. And, well, just going to be working on it forever. This is supposed to be wood flooring with check boxes under it. So, we had 600 in there, and then we added 50 this week. So, I'm going to just do that, and we'll add the other when I get the other 50 in there. And these are all fake bills in here, in case you couldn't tell. They also make me happy. Sorry about that. I have a new camera and trying to figure out how to do everything. Basically keep the battery charged. I don't know. Anyway, so furniture gets 25. Each couch is 25. We should have, yeah, I'm sorry, each couch is 50. Oh no, I was only supposed to do half a couch. Can I tell? There, yeah, half a couch. Electronics, got 25, and each AirPod is 50, so we'll just do half. Sorry, my phone went off, guys. Pet, it's 25, and each cupcake is 20, so we get to do one, hopefully next time I'll remember what that is. HVAC, 25. Oh, this one is wrong. This one was wrong. Okay, so each air conditioning unit, ductless air, whatever they're called, 120. So that would be 2. Oh no, I did too much. Oh, can't understand this one. What is wrong with me? I have to start looking at these before I put them in. So each one is 120, and I need to get 225. So this would be 240. Let's just do almost all of it, and then make a little note. I'll probably just think I scribbled. The Roth IRA. Oh my gosh, this is slow going because I started. It got 50, and each dollar sign is 100. So I think I'll just do. Yeah. Alright, so that's that. So thank you for hanging out with me. I know that wasn't super exciting. I'll put in maybe some videos of the puppies so you can see them. And we'll be back in a couple days with some savings challenges, savings games for savings challenges. You know, yeah, you'd think I'd get easier, you'd think I'd get better. Nope. Anyway, thank you. Have a great week. Yeah, it's only Tuesday, so yes, have a great week. Hello? Hello, puppies. So who do we got over here? We have confetti cake. We have pound cake. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We have bundt cake and shortcake and cocoa cake. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me. And angel cake. Hello, angel cake. Hello. I think we got everybody. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now they have their own names and their own collars. Come here. Come here, cocoa cake.